Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and I'm just going to show you the latest Spotify update on the Wear OS smartwatch. And this is my Fossil Gen 4. It's an awesome watch for the budget price, which is available for very cheap on Flipkart, guys. So links in the description below. Also, you can buy it on Amazon, which is a preferred network. So let me just show you what's there new in this particular Spotify update. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new. So initially you need to pair your watch with the Spotify account on your phone, and once you click it, you will be going to the particular page. Then go to Spotify over here, and this will be nothing but your music control, guys. And actually this is one of the refined music player, I would say, for the Fossil Gen 4 Android Wear watches. So let me just show you, and if you like this particular video, guys, please hit the like button. And these are the controls. So basically it will just mimic the entire playlist whatever you have it on your phone. And let me just open the Spotify account over here, and yeah, so let me go to the like songs and let me play one of the music. So usually what I do is I use Spotify whenever I'm driving, because my car is manual and it is not having the steering control for the volume and other stuff. So this watch is very handy for me. Due to copyright reason, I cannot show you the exact songs which I am playing, the sound from my phone, because I'll be having issues with the copyright. So anyways, so once you start playing over here, it is just basic, guys. This new update is very simplified. In fact, the buttons and all are great, guys. And as you can see, if I change a track on my phone, it gets changed on the watch, and this vice versa. Even the music controls and other things are good, guys. So this is basically used to quickly change the playlist and all. And let me just show you also with some other song. So if I just go and check out some other playlist, okay, and if I play, so that songs will be play. So the thing is, I've been using this for a very long time, guys. And this feature, I am really in love with it, especially when you are driving, or maybe you are going for a long walk or run and quickly you want to change the song. So that's also a time when this particular Spotify on your wristwatch is going to be very useful. So if you like this particular videos, guys, again, please hit the like button and share with your colleagues, friends and family, and anybody who is planning to use the Apple, I mean, sorry, not Apple, I mean, I keep saying Apple Watch, but then the Gen 4. It's a very good smartwatch, guys, and check out my other videos also on the same watch. It is one of the best offering, and for the Wear OS. In fact, the build quality is great. For under 10,000, it is available for a very affordable rate. So again, guys, thanks for watching my channel, and see you in my next video.